This is weird. What the heck are they like?
Good afternoon.
That's why it's an adult size.
Hey, Taketo?
Just Take's fine. What's the matter?
I can't get the buttons on top to close.
It's fine. You're fine. No one will notice.
Oh, I get it. You're a pervert, huh?
What'd you call me?
You're staring.
No, I'm not. They're in the way.
How come you have such big watermelons?
Harassed on the first day. How will she handle it?
These are actually called flame sacks. They're so strong they can hold fire. Whoa, that's cool.
What kind of deflection was that?
Do they hurt your back? Are they heavy? Would you like to hold them?
Stop! What are you doing? Don't be weird! Ah!
Poor Take, are you okay?
I'm sorry.